If you're looking for the best alternatives to Miro in 2025, this video is for you. Miro has been a go-to online whiteboard for years, but for many teams, it's either too pricey, too complex, or simply not the perfect fit. Today, we're breaking down 3 of the strongest competitors: FigJam, Mural, and Lucidchart, plus a quick look at who should use which tool. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which platform fits your workflow best. Let's start with FigJam. If you're part of a creative team or you already use Figma, FigJam is an amazing alternative. It's smooth, fun, and incredibly user-friendly. FigJam is built for brainstorming, think sticky notes, stamps, voting sessions, and casual sketching. It has a very light, playful feel, and because it's tightly integrated with Figma, you can move from brainstorming to design instantly. If your workflow is visual, collaborative, and design-heavy, FigJam is usually the best Miro replacement. Next is Mural. Mural shines when it comes to structured collaboration. This tool is perfect for workshops, design sprints, team meetings, and anything that needs more facilitation tools. It has timers, voting features, private thinking modes, and tons of templates that help teams move from idea generation to decision-making. If you're a facilitator, a project lead, or someone who runs a lot of collaborative sessions, Mural gives you more control and structure than Miro, making it an excellent alternative. Now let's talk about Lucidchart and its sister platform, Lucidspark. Lucidspark is the brainstorming side, while Lucidchart is the more technical diagramming tool. What makes this combo powerful is how easily you can switch from free-form thinking to precise flowcharts, org charts, system maps, and process diagrams. If your work involves operations, engineering, systems design, or anything that needs clean, professional visuals, Lucidchart outperforms Miro in structured diagramming. It's especially strong for teams that want both creativity and technical clarity in one ecosystem. So which one should you pick? If you want something light, playful, and design-friendly, go with FigJam. If you need structure for workshops, sprints, and meetings, choose Mural. And if your work leans toward technical diagrams or process mapping, Lucidchart is the superior choice. All 3 tools offer free tiers, collaborative features, and strong template libraries, so it really comes down to your team's style and workflow. Thanks for watching. If this breakdown helped you choose the right Miro alternative, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more productivity tools, workflow tips, and software deep dives. Drop a comment below and let me know which platform you're planning to try next. See you in the next one.